Hello, I'm Ron from Lincourt Borchert, speaking to you today about accessibility. Nearly every part of a home can be built with accessibility in mind, but today we'd like to showcase an accessible kitchen. We built this kitchen from the ground up for a wheelchair client. The idea was to help make the kitchen accessible for every possible need. We installed vinyl flooring to make the surface as smooth as possible for a wheelchair. The sink and cooking area were built to allow the client to do his own cleaning and cooking. Cabinet toe kicks were raised to allow the bottom of the wheelchair to slide underneath. Upper cabinets were lowered to allow easier access from a chair. Finally, the countertops were extended out so that dining in that area would be an option. Our client now has a custom-built accessible kitchen where he can function with ease. If you have a project that needs this type of work completed by a certified aging in place specialist or any other type of construction, please contact us at 586-992-8400. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a great day.